Hi, Jeff from Galaxy Tools. We're here today. I'm going to demonstrate the Asteroid impact wrench. This is a fall-on protection system, or a FOPS, on an excavator. It's about 10 years old. These are 15/16 bolts, and they were fastened 10 years ago, haven't been touched since. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the effectiveness of a mechanical impact wrench. Not necessarily the size that you would use in the field for this application. You would probably want to use a 20, 30, or even 40-pound hammer. This is a 10-pound hammer, and what I'm about to do is loosen these bolts with this 10-pound slide hammer and a 15/16 box end attachment, of which there are several. Box end, open end, chisel, punch, but today we're going to loosen these bolts. And we'll tighten them. As I say, if you have a seized fitting, a hose, or a fastener, you can tighten it or loosen it with the Asteroid impact wrench. Thank you, please subscribe, and please like the video. Check back frequently and we'll give you updates. This product will be for sale on the market within the next few months. Thanks again.